Yeah, massive once a blessed love and welcome to the channel. I hope everybody out there do well. You see me, I said a word there. I hope everybody out there do well. It's so hard for we even ponder upon the word or the situation if everybody do well, because I don't know how we can do well under them circumstances, yeah. And the situation them what we see are going around with differently still. But anyway, I hope say all like genuine, beautiful, self-respected people them out there in our world. You see me I say, especially to my Jamaican people them, because them we are deal with right here now. You understand? And my people them want to talk to right here now differently still. You see it? The people them who actually mean them community good and mean something for the youth them. You see me I say? Who actually genuinely want to see some kind of changes in a society. Because I don't understand how comes we so comfortable with what they go on around with. See? So watch you now. Over the past few weeks, differently still, not even the past few weeks, over several months now, the company where I work for, I realize, say, a whole heap of worker them, whole heap of my colleague them. Some of them are not, me and them no work direct, but are people who me know around the compound and them kind of things. You see it, and a whole heap of people are go for retirement. See? And one of them people there, one of them worker there, is a person who me and them work directly together. See? And the man are going to retirement in a few weeks. As a matter of fact, in a few days. See? And me and the man are reason today, and it just dawned upon me like me, I said, rah. When me look upon the man and if you know say they don't going to retirement, see? And me I look upon the man, me I say the man I look like him have enough energy still in him. You understand? Him have a good amount of strength where him can still go on. You understand the levels? But yet, he's a big man. And him a go in a retirement and him a go enjoy him in life out of work, you know. And what me I look upon is that when me look upon the amount of youth them in a Jamaica wanna get to enjoy nothing in a life. The amount of youth wanna achieve nothing in a life and then lose their life. See? The amount of Jamaican youth will just get wasted. People pitney just get wasted like nothing, like breeze a blow. Leaf a drop off a tree. I mean I look upon it like beyond the whole news covering thing. Because that's all me see a go on, you know. All of us start to cover the news. And all of this killing kind of things and all of this waste of life kind of thing, it just get sensationalized. So everybody now broadcast the news. Everybody highlight what is happening. And guess what happen? We are capitalized on them kind of thing there. Everybody are monetize the covering of the stories. And we are watch the youth them waste their life, and we take it like I say, it's a drama, and then it's almost like we get immune to the things them what we say are going around with. Like I say, the youth them were out there so kill off their one another. It not have nothing to do with you directly, because I know you're a youth, I know you're a cousin, I know your sister pitney. None of them sitting there not connect with the people them, because all we do is absorb. We just absorb all of what go on. Nobody not take no time out to reflect on say a real human being a dash where they one another. A real Jamaican youth a dash where they one another. And a spoil up the future of themselves and their family. The amount of youth who disappoint them parents. And all we do is just cover the news and we sensationalize everything. Everybody just get hip to it. Me there say in London, and me not tell you no lie, more time we hear about the stabbing them and all kind of things where they go on in London. See? But you see the difference between what you see the happening in London and what we see the happening in Jamaica. At least we have some people who show concern. Because more time, you see some things go on. And you see the parents them organize up protests and then walk through the community them, then march through the community them. See? And they ask to change. Then demand change from the people them who they do the things them. The youth them who walk with the knife them and they sitting there. The parents them actually go out protest, ask for the youth them change up them thing. See? So the parents them are sure say there is a concern and they want to see better. They don't want to see them picking them a dead off them kind of way. But guess what we do with Jamaican people? It's like we enjoy seeing the destruction of we self. Nobody now demand no change. Nobody now talk about no social intervention. Nobody now protest the things them what we see are going on in our society. Because everybody comfortable with it. Everybody are market the destruction of ourselves. We are create channels and we are cover the news and everybody are jumping and watch and the views and the likes and all it. But none of us now come in and say, make we have a social intervention. Make we demand changes for what go on in our country. How comes nobody now protest and ask the government for changes? Make we see changes. What they happen to with people them? What go on? What go on? Jamaica operate one death cult or what? Oh, it's so easy for you just take up a gun and go shoot up in friend them. People what they used to par with, people what they used to sit down and eat food with and them kind of sitting there. How comes it gets so easy? How comes the youth them have no human attachment when them a deal with them one another? The youth them on TikTok waste their life and promote be a reckless living. And everybody just they laugh. Oh, blouse and skirt. What you them then turn fish tacker. Then this, then that. A bad man world. TikTok a bad man world. One bag of entertainment out of the demise and destruction of the youth them. The country future. And nobody no see nothing wrong with this. We all okay with it. The newsman them what they cover the news them. How comes we not hear no mitigating plans are put in place? All of the ex-police them what they on the internet were talk about the news them and all sort of thing. And everybody are promote who are the baddest police. Which police used to take away how much youth life. while the youth them there around there a plan to take away each other life same way. So police a kill off them one another. The youth them a kill off one another. I see them youth them who used to go to school together and I remember say I see them little baby them what we used to sip on the corner and buy cheap chip give them and we laugh and we lift them up and we congratulate their mother when time their mother deliver and them kind of sitting there. I see them like a youth them this grow up you know. And them depend the TikTok app I promote some reckless lifestyle. A woman them not have nothing but morals anymore. The youth them they not have no concern and love for each other no more. Everybody a talk about getting rich and becoming millionaire and buying the biggest gun and everybody a try to outdo each other with how vicious we can be towards each other. And then we dip on the internet and promote certain kind of foolishness. You have some big people out here differently still. Where when time them promote certain kind of energy differently still. And the little youth them a watch it and a say, big people are behave certain kind of way. Only nobody feel like I said the energy they wanna put out. Not have some impact and effect on how people think and how people behave, you know. Not care how simple or how small on things say on effect or on impact is. But once you promote certain kind of energy, the energy they go out and it have a ripple effect. The grandmother them stop being grandmother again. Make we talk about that. Because the grandmother and the daughter them mother them and the grandmother them are buck up in a same party and everybody are promote the same kind of hooligan behavior and reckless lifestyle. Who can take the most man and trick the most man? The youth them we claim say them are artists. Them want to promote how wicked or how vicious them can be and everybody want to outdo each other in terms of how wicked them can be. And we just sit down and we take them things for entertainment. Nobody not care about the youth them. Nobody not care about the country, you see it? Everybody just want to promote. And own and promote and instigate. See? And then we just watch it like I want big old drama. Like I want Netflix series. And we just wait for the next season and wait for see what go on and we are wait for see the retaliation and them kind of sitting there. I remember first time when certain things used to go on and the parents them couldn't take it no more. Then take to the street and people demonstrate and people ask to change and people talk to the dan them and beg the dan them for calm down certain things. All of them things are gone through the window, you see it? And the people them who we are look for lead way. Everybody just stay quiet and nobody not care about what go on. You see it? And the internet world now become this place where all we do is just glamorize certain destruction. We glamorize the destruction of ourselves. We promote the destruction of the youth them. And we go on like I say, we not care. Nobody not care about nothing about the youth them. Nobody not care nothing about the youth them future. As me say, the amount of youth were gone and get wasted. Where them parents put so much into growing them. The parents them when time them a send them to school couldn't hardly make it out for buy them books and uniform and all of them sitting there. And when you think say your youth are going to come out, hold up their head and become something worthwhile for themselves, so they can take themselves and take their family out of certain kind of situation. The same people them who have to struggle to send them to school, now have to struggle to go bury them. The amount of parents what they bury them pitney nowadays. And it seem like it don't have no end to it differently still. How comes we just find them things that so normal nowadays? How comes it just so easy and so normal say people can just go around and do them kind of things and we don't see nothing wrong with it. Everybody just get entertained by it. If we not change, man, if we not change differently still, if we not change our mindset, if we not change how we view life differently still, and start to promote more unity and togetherness and self-worth and them kind of things, the future of our country look dark differently still. Yeah. The future of our country look dark because it don't seem like nobody up at top care, you see me? But in the meantime, people, you see the one them we're close to the item. You see, if we can instill certain kind of discipline in our youth them. And when I say instill discipline, I don't talk about people figure beat up pitney and turn them in a savage. I talk about mental discipline. So some youth now act out emotion and the quickest thing when time him and the next one have any disagreement or just destruction we want to say. You see, if we not start promote them kind of things there in our little circles and keep the youth them away from problem, steer the youth them away from the destruction. You see it? Steer the youth them away from the destruction. Them say bend the tree from it young. So guess what? Make we start promote them kind of lifestyle there, what we used to know. We can't get so savage against one another differently still, you see. Some people no go and bless up on themselves, you know. Take care of yourself, take care of your family. Make we be the change what we want to see. Make it start from we. Make it start from the person right here, so. You understand? Start with the promotion of love and start with the promotion of unity. Make we step out and demand from the youth them better for themselves so they stop hurt themselves. Yeah man, go and bless up there themselves. Rastafari live.